2024 Dodge Durango changes price release date. Hello viewers and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to be talking about the 2024 Dodge Durango. So strap in your seatbelts as we take you through a very informative ride. Intriguing speculations and theories emerge regarding the 2024 Dodge Durango. Unfortunately, the future of this SUV doesn't seem promising. The model for 2024 appears to be the final one before it is replaced by an all-electric vehicle. The new full-size SUV is expected to be backed by a completely new body-on-frame chassis, with the Jeep Wagoneer's foundations rather than the Grand Cherokee's. Another interesting fact is that the Jeep Grand Cherokee and the Durango originally used the same platform. Now let's talk about the design of this vehicle, as how it looks from the outside is also important to know. Dodge Durango design. Unquestionably, this SUV's striking design is one of its distinctive features. The only crossover SUV on the market that can compete with rivals, in terms of aesthetic attractiveness, is the 2024 Dodge Durango. The focus of this SUV's striking appearance is its remarkable dimensions. It's interesting to notice that the Ford Explorer, Mazda CX-9, and Volkswagen Atlas all have dimensions that are similar to those of the Dodge Durango. For the 2024 Dodge Durango, they were introducing a variety of Ram DT body-on-frame architecture, including increased interior room, better hauling, and enhanced towing capacity. In contrast, the Jeep Wagoneer can tow up to 10,000 pounds on specified versions, while the Durango currently has a towing capacity of 8,700 pounds with a particular configuration. As a result, the SUV has greater functionality, and Dodge enthusiasts can do more with their cars, including hauling the Dodge Challenger Mopar drag pack onto the strip more easily. Interior. It's still too early to talk about interior design. Again, Dodge hasn't debuted a new car in over 10 years, thus every cabin in the lineup is outdated. As a result, we can predict aesthetics while also assuming that the construction quality will be much higher. Without a doubt, there will also be a ton of modern tech elements, like massive touchscreens, digital instrument clusters, numerous networking technologies, etc. Given that the 2024 Dodge Durango will likely be quite similar in size to the Wagoneer, we can assume a similar amount of room. 3 rows of seats would be common, and all 3 should comfortably fit adults. The all-new full-size 2024 Dodge Durango will be an incredibly large and comfortable SUV. In case you didn't know, this model's inside is made of top-notch materials, and the layout may change slightly depending on the trim option. For instance, a 10.1-inch screen is standard on the Citadel and R/T models, and optional on the GT, while an 8.4-inch screen is available on the base SXT and mid-range GT models. Engine. The Durango Ceretee's 6.4-liter V8 has a lot more power than the majority of people need in a 3-row SUV. The force is transmitted by the Durango Ceretee in a fluid linear mode. It is rapid when the throttle is pushed firmly. The SUV's sharp, fast steering and rigid suspension help to mask the Durango Ceretee's weight and high center of gravity, a trade-off for performance-focused setups, passing bumpy portions of road, and avoiding padded cushions. The most aggressive track mode hurts the most on all surfaces, even the smoothest ones. A 5.7-liter V8 engine with 360 horsepower was formerly an option for the Dodge Durango. When equipped with this engine, this SUV could tow a maximum of 8,700 pounds. The engine is a basic V6 with 295 horsepower. Both engines are connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission that allows power to be sent to either the front wheels or all 4 axles at once. Price and release date. Dodge, unfortunately, did not disclose any details on the cost or release date of the new Durango. According to our sources, the new generation will probably cost more than the previous one did. The current model's starting price is $39,400. The GT, GT Plus, R/T, Citadel, Orange Sport, and R/T Plus, on the other hand, are priced at $41,000, $52,000, and $56,755, respectively. The new model is anticipated to make its debut as a 2024 model in the third quarter of 2023. Like before, the capability of the Dodge Durango will be superior to that of the Chevrolet Tahoe and the Ford Expedition. The most recent Dodge Durango's starting MSRP with unibody construction is $35,472. by offering customers a less expensive F-segment vehicle, and maybe lowering the overall budget for the Wagoneer's architecture. Switching to a body-on-frame might also help reduce costs. Dodge Durango report. The Durango, which has been around for 10 years, is one of several cars in Dodge's portfolio that could need more than just a bigger V8. But even though a Dodge Renaissance is on the horizon, with planned redesigns of the Challenger and Charger for 2024 along with that electric muscle vehicle, the Durango does not seem to be an obvious benefactor. Instead, Automotive News says that the current Durango will be manufactured until the end of the year, with no known successor model in the works. A new version of the Durango may adopt the same body-on-frame architecture as the rival Chevy Tahoe, as suggested by Mopar insiders in 2018. However, such a big change would not likely escape the attention of Automotive News, which is generally well-connected. There's a good probability that Stellantis simply hasn't decided how it would implement the next generation model if the Durango has a future. Despite its age, the Durango is still an appealing family SUV, and it continues to be so thanks to ongoing improvements. And this, my friends, is it for today's video. Do give us a like if you enjoyed the video, and forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more amazing news and updates. Thank you for watching.